Hello guys, in today's video, we'll be making waakye with a twist. So basically, waakye is made with beans, rice and the waakye leaves. But today, I'll be replacing the rice with millet. This millet waakye was so delicious. So let's get started. Pour your beans into your saucepan. The beans has already been washed and soaked for about 2 hours. Add your washed waakye leaves as well. Next, add some hot water and stir. Make sure the water is enough to cook the beans. Allow the beans to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. Next, we will take out the waakye leaves. The leaves can be reused. Add some salt. Next, we will add our millet. The millet has already been washed and soaked overnight. Stir to combine everything. Next, cover and leave it to boil for about 10 minutes. Reduce the heat to low and cook your millet waakye until your millet is soft. Our millet waakye is ready and it looks so good. It tastes delicious as well. So let's go ahead and serve it. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hello there, I'm Efua and you are welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do me a favor by subscribing. And share the video with your loved ones as well. Thank you. Watch the Ghanaian recipes playlist. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.